Love is all around us. We see it in movies, read about it in books, and feel it in our own lives. But what exactly is love? Is it just a feeling? Is it something more? It can mean different things to different people and can manifest itself in various ways. Generally speaking, love is a deep and intense feeling of affection and care for another person. A study published in the journal Current Biology found that the mere sight of a loved one can activate the reward system in the brain, even if the person is not present in the physical environment. Another study published in the journal Scientific American showed that love can actually change the way our brains process pain. In heterosexual couples, the study found that the woman's brain showed decreased activity in response to pain when she was in the presence of her partner. This suggests that love may have a pain-killing effect. Now let's talk about the psychology of love. According to psychologist Robert Sternberg, love is a multi-dimensional experience that can be broken down into three main components. The first component is passion, which refers to the intense feelings of desire and attraction that we experience towards our partner. This is often what we think of when we hear the word love. The second component is intimacy, which refers to the closeness and connection we feel with our partner. This is the glue that keeps relationships together and is essential for long-term love and commitment. The third component is commitment, which is the conscious decision to stay in love with our partner. This involves accepting the imperfections of our partner and the relationship and working through any challenges that arise. Sternberg's triangular theory of love suggests that all these three components are necessary for a complete and satisfying experience of love. It's a bond that creates a sense of connection and can inspire acts of kindness, compassion, and generosity. At its core, love is about acceptance, respect, and empathy. From the activity of our brain's reward system to the release of hormones like oxytocin, our bodies are wired to experience love. Understanding the science of love can help us appreciate this emotion even more and make us more aware of the importance of nurturing and maintaining loving relationships in our lives. So go ahead, give your loved ones a hug and remember that you are part of something bigger than yourself, the amazing human experience of love. It's the ability to understand and share the feelings of another, as well as the desire to help and support them through difficult times. Love can be a driving force for good, motivating us to be better people and make the world a better place. It's a powerful emotion that can bring people together and create lasting memories. Now let's explore the science of love and find out what makes this emotion so powerful. When we experience love, various parts of our brain light up like a Christmas tree. The first one is the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, attention, and social behavior. When we are in love, this area of the brain becomes more active, which explains why we may become more focused on our partner and less focused on other things in our lives. Next is the hippocampus, which is involved in memory and emotion. In a study published in the journal Neuroscience, researchers found that the hippocampus helps us remember positive experiences associated with our partner, which may contribute to the feeling of love. Then there's the amygdala, which is responsible for processing emotions, especially those related to fear and stress. Interestingly, the amygdala has been found to be less active when we are in love, which may explain why we are more calm and relaxed around our partner. Finally, there's the nucleus accumbens, which is involved in reward and pleasure. This area of the brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and addiction when we are around our partner. This could explain why we feel so good when we are in love and why we may become addicted to our partner's company. In the grand scheme of things, love is a very complex emotion that can be difficult to define. In conclusion, love is a complex and fascinating emotion that involves a combination of physiological, psychological, and social factors. This has been the science of love. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. And also subscribe to our channel, Booked and Hooked. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.